Construction is underway at the historical Roundhouse Park. Located across from the Rogers Centre, CN Tower, and Ripley's Aquarium, at the bustling corner of Rhys Street and Bremner Boulevard, Toronto Hydro's Copeland Station will showcase the finest in structural and electrical engineering. The $195 million project is only the second underground station to be built in Canada. And when it's complete, it will be virtually undetectable to the hundreds of thousands of visitors the area receives each year. Construction started with the careful disassembly of the former CP Rail machine shop. The historical building was taken down, catalogued, and stored off-site. Copeland Station will occupy 50,000 square feet, 3 stories below ground, and crews have to excavate the site to reach approximately 40 feet deep to build the station's structure. This work is executed in careful stages, beginning with the shoring and excavation of the job site. This is achieved by installing caisson walls, which serve as a protective barrier around the station walls. The caisson wall is composed of approximately 400 concrete pillars, which are burrowed into the ground using a drill rig. After the shoring and excavation of soil and bedrock is complete, 2 tower cranes are installed to help crews place the structural steel and concrete, which essentially form the walls and flooring, and therefore the physical structure of the building. Crews lay down the foundation slab by pouring a mud slab, followed by a mat slab. When the foundation slab is complete, construction can begin on the walls. The walls are assembled by installing columns, concrete, and structural steel. When the first level is complete, crews repeat the process to complete the second floor. When the structure is completed, all major equipment will be installed and connected. This includes North America's second gas-insulated transformers and high and medium voltage gas-insulated switchgear. Gas-insulated transformers are more compact than commonly used transformers insulated with oil. Next, mechanical and electrical building services will be installed and interior finishes will be completed. Then, work will begin to restore the machine shop according to heritage requirements. It will house the station's service equipment and controls. Just like the rest of the station, the machine shop's structural makeup will be built to withstand potentially disastrous events. Should a severe storm blow through, the station is designed with flood prevention measures, including the shoring wall, a waterproof membrane made of HDPE, which is high-density polyurethane, waterproof concrete mixes for the exterior walls and flooring, and a redundant sump pump system that operates on emergency power. The ventilation stacks for the transformer station building will be visible along Rhys Street and Lakeshore Boulevard and will be dressed with corten steel panels to maintain the heritage aesthetic of the site. In tandem with the station construction, a 600-meter underground cable tunnel is being constructed from an existing tunnel beneath Front Street to connect the transformer station to the electricity grid. This is the first time in Toronto Hydro's history to be using a boring machine. It will travel 100 feet below ground to remove dirt and rock, very similar to a mining operation. As the machine moves through the ground, it removes dirt through a conveyor belt and stores it in buckets, much like a miniature railway. When it's ready to be energized, Copeland Station will serve as a much-needed backup supply of power for high-profile customers in the financial district, and will provide the downtown core with additional electrical capacity to sustain the equivalent of approximately 70 condo buildings. This will provide relief to neighboring stations, which are almost at their capacities. Copeland Station is expected to be complete by the end of 2014. For more information and construction updates, please visit torontohydro.com/Copeland Station.